Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today I am going to discuss about the parameterization using the example keyword in Cucumber Framework series. In the last session we have used the parameterization concept but without using the example keyword. So in this session we will be discussing with an example keyword how can we pass more than one data set using the examples, and we'll see the implementation. And let's get started. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and let me open my Eclipse IDE. So I'm going to demonstrate on the previous session example. So in the last session we have discussed, right, parameterization using without examples, and here with the examples. So this is the same implementation of feature, login feature, like I need to log in into an application with an username password details. After successful login, my test case feature falls, right? And accordingly the step definition as well created. So step definition, so using the WebDriver instance I created a WebDriver for Chrome, and then after launching an application URL, then after verifying the page title of what login page it is, and then after sending the username password and logging into the application, once I log in I'm verifying the login page logo. So once I see the logo, my test case execution is successful. And here we have a test runner. So using this test runner we will be executing that outline, right? So here in the same example, so I will do only small modification in this entire scenario, that if we are using the examples concept we need to use the scenarios outline when we are trying to do the data of more than one data set. So once you write the scenarios outline, and make sure that this will be highlighted in a different color. So what happens, sometimes user may give this scenarios outline in the lowercase. So the first letter is in uppercase, so we need to provide that in uppercase. And in the given when section, so there is no extra modification needed. And in the and section where we are trying to pass the data, right? So that part I will modify here. So to pass the data, we need to use in double quotation using the this braces, and here I will say user name. So this is the attribute that I wanted to pass, and then after similarly I will need to use the for password. So password, right? So this is the values parameter that I need to pass in. So to pass this into an example, so examples is also available in the feature file only. So that is examples. So this is the examples that we need to provide. So we need to use these examples, then only data will be picked up from here when we are using a scenarios outline. So here we need to understand this examples design concept. So we using the pipe symbol, like single pipe symbol. So I need to provide the attributes that I'm going to pass here. So one is username, another attribute is a password. So I need to pass this both here, and similarly according to that I need to set up my user data. So user, so once you done, so this is the implementation of scenarios outline. So once we are using scenarios outline we have to use this example so that data will be picked up from the examples. So once it done, you need to save and right click onto the feature file and do a pretty format. So once you do the pretty format, everything will be arranged correctly, so you will see the alignment as well. So now once we are designed here, so our respective step definition is in place. So respect to regex we have written here, so regular expression, so that this regular expression is responsible to pick the data from the examples. So this regular expression is using that both forward slashes and using the cap and star symbol. So this means that it will take any parameter of any type so that it will be accepted as an input. So both approaches uses this password and username uses the same approach, so that data will be picked from the feature file and respective data will be passed on to the step definition. So now I will go to the runner class and right click and run as JUnit test. Now our execution will run for three times, as we given examples three different sets, right? So it will open three different instances and it will try to log in into the application. So this is the first instance. So it will try to log in and verify the user login correct or not. Right, this got failed, so it will terminate that process, and again the next session will be initiated. So this process will keep on executing unless until we finish the entire data set in the examples. So this is second instance. It is trying for the second user login. So all these users are test users. So I'm not using the accurate user here. So you can use your own credentials and you can trigger from the login. And for demo purpose, I'm using the invalid users to login. So they were not seeing the successful login case. Right? All this execution done now. Once you scroll and see this report, then you will see all the instances that it been created. Right? So this is how the examples concept will work in the Cucumber feature file. And I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do share, post and comment. Thank you.